So we're going to take a look into Allison's class and her response to data. I want you to notice some of the questions that she's asking the students and some of the things that she's requiring of the students in her expectations and her criteria for success. So let's listen into her class.
Read the expectations. There are two of them. There's always expectations on your exit ticket packet. Read the two expectations from yesterday, and then I want you to look at your answers and tell me, did you meet expectations? So take a second to read the expectations, review your answer, and think about, did you meet expectations? Why yes I did, or why no I did not.
So after actually giving them think time to look at the expectations that she put on the exit ticket, she then allowed them to speak to one another and talk as elbow partners. And now we're going to dive back into where she calls on the student to articulate what should have occurred in the exit ticket that did not.
All right, let's bring it back together. One person tells me what you say. I already know it's here. Come on, here. Everybody try here. No, so based on my expectations. Do y'all know what my expectations are? Y'all don't see them? So what, you see the two expectations? Can you read them out for me? The answer needs to be correct and about right because the student made an error. And you were supposed to correct the error. So that was the first one. You corrected the error. Okay? The second thing was you were supposed to do what? Write the explanation in a clear, concise, complete sentence. Right? Those are my two expectations. And I see that Shanti did. Very good. Shanti did both of them. So Shanti, talk to me about did you follow expectations and how do you know? How could I walk over to your paper and say Shanti followed both expectations?
I followed both expectations because my answer isn't and my answer is
She corrected it in the box. Okay? And she didn't finish. Some of you didn't get the opportunity to finish, and that's okay. She didn't finish, but looking at her first answer, I know that she was following the expectations. Okay? Yeah.
So now we see that she allows a student to, or she spotlights a student for following her expectations. We're going to jump forward to the video where she gets the students to sum up what her expectations are and give some examples that students can leverage.
Looking at this line here, y'all see this line? This is what the student graphed. This looks very similar to what you did. This is the line that the student graphed. This is the equation. I'm going to let you know ahead of time that there are two mistakes. I want you, before you talk, I want you to determine what the two mistakes are. Write it on your paper. And then in about a minute, I'm going to let you turn and talk to a neighbor about what the mistakes are that you found. So 1 minute, you are determining what the two mistakes are, and you're writing it where? You're writing it where? You're writing it where? In your notebook. In your notebook. That's what I'm in my paper. In your notebook. And how are you writing? Are you just writing it any kind of way? What was the instruction? You're writing it in a what? In a complete sentence. There are two errors. And I'll even give you a stem. The error is, or the student's mistake was, it is very important that y'all learn how to articulate your answers in a clear, concise sentence. Okay? You have 1 minute.
So now we're going to go around the classroom and we're going to look at some of the students' responses before they verbally speak out.
Of course, Kelly and Josh. Yes. You follow directions. You just take your notebook out and you can follow the directions. following directions. I don't care, figure it out. Don't tell me I'm not here. Try to figure it out.
So during the next few minutes, she allows the students to write their responses, and then we're going to jump to where she allows them to share their responses and come to a collective consensus on what her expectations are and how she expected the data to be responded to.
Follow word for word what I put, but you need to be able to, you see how if somebody who didn't know what was going on came in and read your paper, they can tell exactly what happened. The error is that the slope is incorrectly graphed, and let me write it down here. That was my sentence stem for y'all. I'm going to write it down. The error was that the student you're writing incorrectly graphed the slope. What was, now, to make this even stronger, what was incorrect about the slope? What was incorrect? If I write my name on this line, what kind of slope is it? But look at the equation. So if I identify my slope is a positive 1/2. So what did the student do? Graph negative. Good. The student graphed a negative slope, but the slope should be positive. You see how I'm going to include that in my statement? Okay? The graph should have a what kind of slope? Positive. But the student did what? Good. Graphed the negative slope. Now, this is a lot. It's very thorough. I would love to see this. But if your answer just included that the slope should be positive instead of negative, the error was that the slope should be positive instead of negative, that's a good thing. Okay? That is telling you exactly what happened. Alright? So I need you all to write in complete sentences and need to articulate what's going on. What's the second mistake? There is a second. The student incorrectly graphed the y-intercept. What's wrong with the y-intercept? It should be -3. And where did the student place it? So now I'm going to challenge you all to write a sentence on your papers right now. Come around and read it. The second mistake is that the y-intercept is graphed incorrectly. Y'all see right here? So look where the student graphed. Is this -3? This is what? Y'all have 1 minute to write a complete sentence about the student's error here. Everybody's right. Everybody's right. You should be writing. You try to do the video for today?
We got a glimpse into Allison's room, and we were able to see how she started with the data she collected from her exit ticket, and then she responded to it by not only pushing that the students had correct answers, but speaking in complete sentences and being able to explain their thinking and their reasoning. So kudos to Miss Allison. And if you have any power moves that you are doing in your class, we would definitely love to spotlight you and highlight you as well. Continue growing and learning and sharing with one another.